Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Your child gives birth to the mother that you are. I became a mother because of my daughter, and she gave birth to me. I think motherhood changes a person in a very positive way. Especially with me, it's been a very, very positive turnover. I've actually realized how much love I had within me. I think before Adira, that much I don't think was tapped. And suddenly you realize, oh my God, you love somebody more than yourself. And that actually happens when you have a child, and it happened to me. With Adira, every day is a learning process, because what I love about Adira is that she's very sure about what she wants. She doesn't waver in her answers, and I love that about her. And I hope that she maintains that, because she's very clear about what she wants in life. So that's something that I'm learning from her. I think for me it's very important that I try and give Adira as much a normal childhood that I can. And when you say normal, there are different ways of defining normal. I think normal to somebody is different. To me, it's a different definition. So in my definition of normal, I think it's very important for me to let Adira be in a place where she grows up with fact that nobody knows her or nobody recognizes her, so that she's not given that attention that normally you get when you're a known person. Because that is very important, I would say, for the growth of a child. For me to send her to the beach or to a park or to a place where she can play with kids is also important, without her being going like unnoticed. So for me that is important, because I don't want to snatch away her childhood because her parents are achievers. So I'll try to protect her as much as I can. I think for me that is most important, because that comes first and then everything else follows. I can't be doing all films which are only based on what Adira will like, because I think she's still very young. She will probably see my films when she's 5 years old. She's just 2 right now. So I don't think that that time in my life has come where I'll be choosing roles completely centering what Adira would like or what Adira would see. I don't think that's the way I would like to go about in my artistic work. For me, just as I say, that my life has changed after having Adira. It couldn't have been anything better. It couldn't have been. It's nothing more than nothing less than a miracle, actually. Because to actually believe that you have given birth to a child who's like born inside you, like that feeling of giving birth to life. I think it's the most amazing feeling that any woman can feel, and I felt the same. Wishing all the viewers and readers of Pink Villa a very, very happy Mother's Day, one mother to the other. And if you like this interview, you can like, share and comment on it.